Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will show you how to use Crawlomatic to import content from web pages that are visible only if you are logged in the respective web page. So some sites restrict content and show you more content if you are logged in to their site. And I will show you today how to use Crawlomatic to import the restricted content from these sites. So as an example, I will be using this site, which as you can see has full content if I am logged in. And if I go to an incognito window where I'm not logged into the site, we will see only partial content and only 3 lines of text. However, we will see the full article when you're logged in. So let's copy the URL of the website and let's try to crawl it using Crawlomatic. So let's use the default features and let's run it like this. And let's check what we will get. So the plugin will not be able to import full content like this because it will be not logged in as a user and it will not have more than the default text that is visible in the article. However, if you have a user and a password to the website, you can log yourself in the browser and hit F12 in Chrome in your browser. In your browser. So you should open Chrome, log into your website, hit F12 on your keyboard, and this window will pop up. Here go to Application, and you will see here the cookie values. Here you should select the cookies and go to the website which you wish to get, and search for cookie values that are named like session ID and application cookie. This is the tricky part of this. However, you can test these things out and try with all cookie values that are listed here, and like this it will surely work. However, please note that the GA and GID cookies are for Google Analytics and are not required for the login part of the website. In this case, the login part of the website requires these 2 cookies. So if we enter the values and the names of these 2 cookies in the plugin settings, it will be able to simulate a login and get also the full content from the article. So let me show you this. Let's copy the name of the cookie, go to plugin settings, hit settings, search for cookie, and here it is. Here you can enter the cookies that you wish to send with the request. These cookies will allow you to log yourself into the website when crawling it. So first input the cookie name, then input equals, and input also the cookie value. Copy the full value. Don't forget the semicolon to separate multiple cookies. Here you have the example of how to use this. So enter also semicolon, and afterwards go to the second cookie name, equals, second cookie value, and this is all. So this is how it looks. Okay, so now let's save settings. Let's delete the old post that we imported and let's run importing again. Now the Crawlomatic plugin will be able to get full content of the article because it simulates a login. So as you can see, I refreshed the crawled page and we got the full article content for the crawled page. Okay, so this is all. This shows you how to use the cookie feature that the plugin supports to crawl full content of articles. And I hope you will enjoy this feature. If you are interested in more similar videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell notification. And until next time, have a great day, stay awesome, bye bye.